deserve an acceptable reason.
So that's it, I guess. Oh, well,
Alone?
yeah, I'm not gonna say anything, but you can say it to me.
I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason.
Yeah.
I deserve an explanation. I deserve an acceptable reason.
Let's get going again, everyone! You did such a good job! I mean, if you don't really like speak the language, it was kind of hard, huh? God bless, good job! Good job, everyone! Napakalala siya! Gab